Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 28th of July 2022. So risk assets were bid post FOMC as the Fed came in as expected. There was no dovish tilt by any means. I mean, it was still a hawkish message overall. 75 basis points back to back is definitely in the hawkish category, but I think markets were looking for that little bit of a reason to stage some form of rally, and that was probably because they weren't more hawkish than they could have been in the end. Still, overall, I'm still bearish on risk assets. That means cryptos too. As you can see, Litecoin just coming into a bit of resistance here on the bottom left at 59.65 currently, so that's 60 handle now. Quite important on Litecoin. As we take a look down in Bitcoin and what's been happening here, well, you saw a nice bounce off the 21.25 handle, daily close above there the day before, and then that provided a nice platform to then break back through the 50-day and get a strong close back above the 50k. The question is now, can them gains be held onto, or will we see a fade back down into that 50? Of course, the past week had been to the downside and was yesterday's move nothing more than a bit of a relief rally, as I said. A move back into 24k could be on the cards, and then again, that'll be a big test. But can they also put in quite an important higher low here? I suggested around about the point of that ascending trend line. And that's basically what we've seen. So that trend line holding firm beneath, and have we got another nice higher low in here as this overall trend looks set to continue higher. Ethereum currently ticking away at 1621, overhead resistance, of course, 1700 handle now. You can see here just trading to the downside over the past few hours. And can we now be able to break through the 1700 round number handle, or will it be a case of continuing to range trade between there and 1550? Litecoin, as we've already mentioned, 60 handle, quite important. Otherwise, we'll see a move back into 50. And again, just like we mentioned on Bitcoin, the higher low scenario, again, you've got the low, another one here, potentially another one here after that nice bounce, if they can look to take out these recent highs. Ripple needs to try and get through now and get above its recent highs. It hasn't been able to, as you can see here, hasn't been able to even reach there, unlike a few of the others. So now the question for Ripple is getting back to that particular point. As you can see here, have had some rejections off around this 35 cents area before for Ripple. So I moved back down into fade, and at around at around 0.3345 could be on the cards for Ripple. No major news to bring your way in the crypto space. A little bit on Coinbase. They will be investigated by the SEC, so their stock has been getting absolutely smashed. You can read more about that inside the chat room. Until next time, all the best for your trading, and bye for now.